What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for always returning. Thank you so much for your love and support. To all my channel members and all my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your love. As you can see by the title, I am making chickpeas salad, vegan and vegetarian friendly. In this video, I'm doing a collab with Chef Andre Davy. Guys, I would like you to go and check out Chef Andre Davy channel. Show him some love and some support. Let him know that Sister J sent you.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
So here's my assorted bell pepper. I have orange, red, yellow, and green. Here I have my celery. I have a lime. You can use lime or lemon. Cilantro. Purple onions. I have my coconut milk yogurt alternative. I'll be using this instead of the mayonnaise. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash these vegetables. And here I'm using the organic garbanzo beans. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash and prep these vegetables, guys. And here's the chickpeas, otherwise called garbanzo bean. So now that I have all my vegetables washed and prepped, let I go over them one more time. Here I have the assorted bell pepper, red, orange, green, and yellow. Right here I have some fresh cilantro, some celery, purple onions, and right here I have some baby spinach that I'm gonna do the plating with. Here I have the lime juice. You can use lime or lemon, but here I have the lime. Because this recipe is vegan friendly and vegetarian friendly, I am using coconut milk yogurt alternative instead of mayonnaise. So here I'm adding the yogurt alternative to a bowl so I can go ahead and make the sauce for this salad. To that I'm gonna add my lime juice, black pepper. Guys, I won't be putting any salt in this, but definitely you can add salt to this recipe. Now I'm adding my celery. the onion. Now I'm coming in with my chickpeas. Mix this all in. Guys, look how creamy it is, even though I'm not using the mayonnaise, you know? As I said before, this one is vegan and vegetarian friendly. I love chickpeas, and the thing with chickpeas, you can do many different dishes with chickpeas. You can also curry it, sweet and sour, even brown, stew it. It is so versatile, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my cilantro in, guys. The cilantro, you can't leave this out in this salad. Now I'm coming in with my assorted bell pepper. Gonna mix this all in. This is so colorful. So now that my chickpea salad is ready, I'm gonna do the plating. So here is the spinach. I'm just gonna make a spinach bed, and then I'll be doing the plating. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love, guidance.
The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the